students. Welcome dear students. Myself Kuldeep Singh Sisodia from Kota, Rajasthan. I teach English to all of you. Today my topic is narration. Just look at the board. I am going to start this topic. Narration has two kinds. Narration has two kinds. Narration has two kinds. First, direct speech. And second, indirect speech. डायरेक्ट स्पीच मीन्स किसी भी कथन को किसी व्यक्ति के द्वारा अप्रत्यक्ष रूप से व्यक्त करना। किसी व्यक्ति के द्वारा कहा गया प्रत्यक्ष कथन। इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच कथन को अप्रत्यक्ष रूप से व्यक्त करना। आर यू गेटिंग मी? नरेशन हैज टू काइंड। फर्स्ट, डायरेक्ट स्पीच, किसी व्यक्ति के द्वारा कहा गया प्रत्यक्ष कथन। सपोजिंग दैट राम सेड टू मी, आई एम गोइंग टू स्कूल। इट इज डायरेक्ट स्पीच। एंड सपोजिंग दैट Ram told me that I was going to school. This is converted into indirect speech, and this is mentioned in indirective form. So this is indirect speech. कहने का मतलब है कि इस कथन को अप्रत्यक्ष रूप से अभिव्यक्त किया गया है, इसलिए ये इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच है। Here Ram said to me, I am learning French. This is direct speech. And now Ram told me that he was learning French. This is indirect speech. This is indirect speech. Now I want to erase it. Okay? Have you written? Why should we change direct speech into indirect speech. What is the reason? The reason is very easy. वक्ता के द्वारा कही गई बात को यदि हम तीसरे व्यक्ति थर्ड पर्सन के समक्ष प्रकट करना चाहें समक्ष प्रकट करें तब इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच के माध्यम को प्रदर्शित करते हैं। Now it should be, have you written? It is clear? Okay. Now I am telling about how to change direct speech into indirect speech, and in which tenses direct speech are changed into indirect speech. Change into tenses. Number 1, change into tenses. First, present simple tense. Present simple tense is changed into past simple tense. Number 2, present continuous tense is changed into past continuous tense. Third, present perfect tense. Present perfect tense is changed into present perfect tense is changed into past perfect tense. Fourth, present perfect continuous tense perfect continuous tense is changed into past perfect continuous tense. Past perfect continuous tense. Now fifth, past simple tense is changed into past perfect tense. Past simple tense is changed into past perfect tense. 6, past perfect tense is changed into past perfect tense, past continuous tense. Past continuous tense is changed into past perfect continuous tense. 7, past perfect tense is changed into there will be no change. There will be no change. At this tense there will be no change. This tense will be same, ditto. Past perfect continuous tense, past perfect continuous tense will be no change. Okay, next I want to erase it. Have you written? Okay. Now 9, future tense. Okay, future simple tense. Future simple tense is identified or changed according to this pattern. Future simple tense will shall. Okay, would be the tense will be same. Past form would and should. Okay. 10 modal auxiliary verb can, may, okay, will, shall, must will be changed into, how can we change? Could, can is change into could, may would be changed into might, okay, will change into would, and shall, should, must, had to. Okay, all the changes are. Have you written? Should we erase? Just now we are going to learn assertive sentences. How to change assertive sentences. Okay, assertive sentences. Golden rules. Number 1. यदि रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब said to दी हुई है तो रिपोर्टेड स्पीच बनाते समय तो इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच में टॉल्ड में परिवर्तित करते हैं। किस में परिवर्तित करते हैं? टॉल्ड में। नंबर 2, रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब के बाद आने वाले कोमा, रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब के बाद आने वाले कोमा, इन्वर्टेड कोमास को हटाकर रिपोर्टेड स्पीच को कनेक्टिंग वर्ड, ज्वाइनिंग वर्ड, लिंकिंग वर्ड, कनेक्टिव्स, दैट से जोड़ते हैं। किसे जोड़ते हैं? यदि रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब के बाद आने वाले कोमा, वो इन्वर्टेड कोमास को हटाकर रिपोर्टेड स्पीच को कनेक्टिंग वर्ड, ज्वाइनिंग वर्ड, लिंकिंग वर्ड, कनेक्टिव्स, दैट से जोड़ते हैं। थर्ड, टेंस, नाउन, प्रोनाउन, पर्सन, संबंधी, परिवर्तन, निर्धारित नियमों के अनुसार करते हैं। निर्धारित नियमों के अनुसार करते हैं। यदि पर्सन में चेंज करना है, टेंस में चेंज करना है अपन को, तो प्रेजेंट सिंपल टेंस, जैसा कि पूर्व में वर्णित है, पूर्व में ये बात बता दी गई है कि प्रेजेंट सिंपल टेंस है, उसको किस में करना है? पास्ट सिंपल में। ये सारी चीज़ें। और यदि प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस है, उसको किस में करना है? पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस में। प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट को किस में करना है? पास्ट परफेक्ट में। प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस को किस में करना है? पास्ट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस में। पास्ट सिंपल को किस में करना है? पास्ट परफेक्ट में। पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस को किस में करना है? पास्ट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस में। और पास्ट परफेक्ट यदि आ जाए तो उसमें नो चेंज। यदि पास्ट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस आ जाए तो भी नो चेंज। फ्यूचर सिंपल आ जाए तो हमें उसकी फॉर्म चेंज करनी है। यानी जो हेल्पिंग वर्ब्स है, विल, सेल, उनको किस में चेंज करेंगे? विल को वुड में कर देंगे और सेल को किस में कर देंगे? शुड में। वेरी इजी, क्लियर। नेक्स्ट, नाउन, प्रोनाउन, पर्सन, संबंधी नियम। पर्सन आ जाए तो उसमें चेंज कैसे करेंगे? वन टू थ्री अपॉन सन। फर्स्ट पर्सन इट चेंज अकॉर्डिंग टू सब्जेक्ट। फर्स्ट पर्सन, फर्स्ट पर्सन आई एंड वी। फर्स्ट पर्सन आई एंड वी। सेकंड पर्सन you, second person you, and third person he, she, it, name and they. He, she, it, name and they. These are third person. Now first person is change according to subject. It change according to first person is change according to subject. Second person is change according to according to object. Third person, there will be no change. There will be no change. It is clear? Okay. So to be erased. Fourth, यदि रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब सेड के बाद ऑब्जेक्ट नहीं है तो ऑब्जेक्ट नहीं है तो टोल्ड में परिवर्तित नहीं करेंगे। यदि डायरेक्ट स्पीच में हैबिचुअल एक्शन, जनरल ट्रूथ्स, यूनिवर्सल ट्रूथ, commentaries, news headlines, एक्सेट्रा ये आ जाए तो इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच सेम होगा। ओके, इट इज क्लियर। एग्जाम्पल, please see example. Mahima said to Govind, Mahima said to Govind, I am doing well. I am doing well. How can we change? This is direct speech. Mahima, now we change. Indirect speech, महिमा told Govind. Mahima told Govind. Now we should connect with that. First we remove comma and inverted comma, then connect with that. Now look at this sentence. Mahima said to Govind. This subject is the part of reported speech. So how can we change it? According to subject, I is first person and this is changed according to subject. Okay, that she, which tense is there in this sentence? Present continuous. Present continuous is changed into past continuous. She was doing well. Correct? Very easy. Mahima told Govind that she was doing well. Now one more sentence. He said, indirect speech, he said that the earth is round. There will be no change in the tense because this is universal truth. So we can't change it. The earth is round. The earth is round. In past time the earth is round and in present time earth is round. There will be no change. So now one more sentence. Some sentences are given related to distance solving words. So how can we change? If distance solving words are given in the direct speech, then how can we change? Okay. Today change into that day. Tonight. Tonight will be changed into that night. That night. Okay. Just it change into then. Okay. Ago. Ago is change into before. Okay. yesterday. Yesterday change into the previous day. Okay. Last night. Last night we change into the previous night. At this moment change into at that moment. Okay. These change into those. This change into that. Now change into then. Have you written? Should we rest? Meanwhile, a change into that time. Okay. At this time, a change into at that time. Okay. Now, this type of all distance having words are changed according to this pattern. So some sentences are given according to this pattern. How can we change? Here given some examples for students. They can learn easily by the help of these sentences, and easily we can learn this topic. Ravi said to Amit. Ravi said to Amit, I am preparing tea at this time. How can we change? This is direct speech. And we can change very easily. Ravi taught Amit. No need to mention to. First remove comma, then inverted commas, and then we should connect with connective word that. Here first person is given. First person is changed according to subject. First person is changed according to subject. I and we both are in first person. So this part of this person, part of reported speech, change according to first person of the reporting verb. Okay, that he was preparing tea at that time. Next, Bhumika Singh said to Maya Kanwar. Bhumika Singh said to Maya Kanwar. My father went to market yesterday. Okay, now how can we change? How can we change? Bhumika Singh told Maya Kanwar that my father. Okay, my father is changed according to Bhumika Singh. That our father, who is going to narrate the story? Bhumika. Bhumika is going to narrate the story. So here my father is changed according to her father. Her father, and here the tense is given past simple. So past simple is changed into past perfect. My father had gone to market the previous day. Thanks.